So I just sent out my MacBook Pro guides for all the grades and the teachers. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
Mac Barnett. Mac Barnett.
Oh my God, when's he coming?
He is coming in like 2 weeks.
Do you feel like our staff is prepared yet?
I feel like, I don't even know if we could be more prepared. The momentum is building. I just wish we were already there.
I'm very competitive. I want my school to be so prepared for his visit, I want to give them badges.
Ooh. Anyway, okay, enough about badges. Can we just like find a way for it to already be fast forwarded? I can't wait any longer. I can't wait, please.
Great Scott, I have an idea. Should we build a time machine?
Oh my God, that's the simplest answer. Build a time machine.
Hello, McFly.
Ooh, I don't know what that means. Why don't we have kids build a time machine? Makerspace.
Makerspace.
Okay, I'm in.
So how do we program our time machine?
I don't know. I'm thinking maybe like something here interacts with this. Okay, so we just need to go a little bit further ahead, 2 weeks, right?
All right.
Okay, did you put it in?
I put it in.
Okay, and then I think you have to push those 3 right there.
Don't mess with my buttons.
Okay. You gotta pay attention. Don't read in time travel.
Wheel fell off. This is really far into the future.
Oh no. This is not 2 weeks. Where are we?
2070?
2070? No!
Wait a minute. These schools still looks like they're from the 1950s.
Oh my gosh. We gotta go back. We gotta go back. This isn't good. Here,
Program
here, fix it.
Stop! You broke my steering wheel.
Okay, all right, just fix it. I'm sorry. Let's go back. Let's go back. Ready? Okay, ready? Okay, are we back? 2018? This is not 2018.
No.
It's
It
not
looks like
2018.
2018.
No, this is the old library. This is the old Tremont Library.
Oh. Oh, you
It's
know,
2015.
That was
It's
a really good
2015.
year. That was
Well-
the year Skunk was published. This book sure doesn't stink.
I'm kind of getting nervous.
I know. Okay.
I'm getting. Do you want me to do it?
No.
Okay,
Don't
all right.
touch my buttons.
Okay. All right. Let's do
All
it then.
right. All right. Here we go.
Okay, I'm ready. Set. Okay.
Here we go. Let's
Go.
go.
Okay.
This is definitely not 2018.
Oh no, we went the wrong direction again. Who's that little girl?
That looks like 1987, Mrs. Hemmelgarn. I would
Oh.
know that triangle hair anywhere.
It's very old fashioned.
First perm.
Okay, all right. We're getting further behind.
Okay, let's
All
go.
right.
Let's go.
Okay, ready? Set. Okay. Oh no. We went a little bit further. Listen, I
didn't
tried
go
really
far
hard in gymnastics.
Did you
This
get
is
a
1991.
participation ribbon?
You know what? I had the most spirit. Anyway, we're heading in the right direction. We've got to keep on going.
We're almost there. We're almost there.
2018.
We're almost
Okay,
there.
are you ready?
Wait.
What?
I think this time machine's broken. I have too many parts and pieces in mine.
Okay.
I
have
don't
a
think
few
we need
extra
this.
too.
And I don't think, let me use these tools.
Do you need this?
Here we go.
Soft?
Okay. We're fixed. We're
Okay.
good to go.
Wait.
The Triforce.
I forgot
This
about
will
this.
for sure get us to the Mac Barnett visit of Upper Arlington City Schools of 2018.
All right, let's do it. Okay.
Go!
We did it!
We did it! It's almost visit day!
Mac Barnett is coming to Truman! Mrs. Hemmelgarn, I'm so glad we made it back to 2018. I would have hated to miss Mac's visit, but something still doesn't feel right. Or look right. I don't know. I can't put my finger on it. What's wrong? What's different? Did we do something?
My library is kind of a big deal.
My library is kind of a big deal.